Good morning to everyone. Today class is present continuous tense. Last time we discussed simple present tense. Now today present continuous tense. In the sentence, continuous, the word is there. Continuous means progressive. In which situation means present. In the present situation, an action is going on. An action is going on without stopping. See usages. First one, present continuous tense refers to a continuous action of the present. A continuous action of the present. That means what? While we are speaking or while we are thinking, another action is going on. At the time of speaking, another action is going on. Otherwise, simply, this tense refers to an action which is going on in the present. Example, what I am doing now? Now I am teaching. Now I am teaching. Now you are writing. In the present situation, an action is going on. That is usage 1. Usage 2 is, this tense refers to an action which is continual. Which is continual. Continual means progressing, stopping, progressing, stopping, like that. Continuous stopping, continuous stopping, like passenger bus. Usage 1 as express bus. That means non-stop bus. Okay, for example, they are studying intermediate. 2 years, they are continuing the study 2 years. Then they decided which is better, either degree or professional course. Okay, if they choose, again they started studying. That means continuing, stopping, continuing, stopping. Okay, such kind of actions based on sense organs. For example, I look at you, not I am looking at you. Based on sense organs, some of the actions are not continuous. Example 2, I love India, not I am loving India. That means sense organs are not doing continuous actions. Okay, and third one, a decided future action or official arranged planning. Official arranged planning. A decided future action or official arranged planning. CM is coming tomorrow. Before the day, the plan is already implemented. Understand? That is third one. Fourth one is, this tense refers to an irresistible action of the present. What do you understand this word? For example, after school hours or after your offices, you may go to home. At that time there is no food. You wanted to take some meal or food or like snacks. If there is any school student, they involve in homeworks. Understand? So after completion of food arranged by mom or mother, then food is ready, mother is calling to student or husband. Now food is ready, can you come? I am coming. Either son or daughter or husband saying that I am coming. But they are not going. Because the son or daughter is working, the husband is working, another one, like that. Example 2, a boy after the school went to home, in the same manner asked the mom, I am angry, is there any food? No, just wait 5 minutes, I will arrange, said by mom. The students started playing outside of the house. On that day, the student is playing very well. Now food is ready, mother is calling to son. Okay. Dear son, food is ready, come here. Mom, I am coming. But the son is not going. On that day only he plays well. He is saying, Mom, I am coming. Mother is calling in this way. But which is important? Eating is important. But what is the boy doing? He is playing. Understand? That is what we call an irresistible action of the present. Listen again. Present continuous tense refers to first action is a continuous action of the present. Second action is a continual action of the present. Third one a decided future action. Fourth one an irresistible action of the present. Understand? Now we are going to discuss structures, examples and clue words. Okay? Now structure of the present continuous tense. Once look at the board. What is here? Subject plus helping verb is, am, are, V4 plus object. Here it means third person singular number. Okay, these are taking is. I take am, we, you, they take are. That means agreement of subject and helping verb in the present continuous tense. Coming to wherefore means V1 plus ing form. V1 plus ing form called as V4. That means present participle. We may call it as V4 or V1 plus ing form or present participle. Now examples. How can we study the structure? First of all, he is, she is, it is, I am, we are, you are, they are. Now examples. I am reading a book. I subject, helping verb am, reading a book. Reading is main verb or V4. He is reading a book, she is reading a book, it is reading a book. They are reading a book, you are reading a book, we are reading a book. See, I, he, she, it, they, you, we. These are subjects. Am, is, are. These are helping verbs. Main verb is here reading, V4. Last word is object. It is present continuous tense structure. Present continuous tense structure. Now we can discuss according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay. Now according to assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. See example 1. I am eating. It is affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Example 2. I am not eating. I am not eating. After the helping verbs, we have to keep negative word not. Now change into interrogative. It is very easy. First one am, second one I. Replacement of first sentence. Am I eating? Okay, first sentence, subject and helping verb placements are changed. Am I eating? What I am eating? What am I eating? What I am eating is wrong. What am I? What am I eating? It is a question word, interrogative sentence. Next one, am I not eating? Am I not eating? This is interrogative come negative sentence. Okay, this is, you should take am I eating. The sentence is used with not. Okay, am I not eating? You may write as for this sentence in this way, am I eating? If you want to write full form of NOT not, that should be before the main verb. If you want to write contractions, apostrophe, then after the helping verb. Okay, remind that. Sixth one, question word. What am I not eating? Interrogative come negative using with the question word. You may write as like this one. What amn't I eating? This is interrogative come negative sentence. Okay. First, up to here very important. Up to here very important. See, affirmative, negative, interrogative, yes or no type questions. Interrogative question word sentence. Interrogative come negative sentence. These are the examples according to affirmative and negative and interrogative sentences. Now we are going to discuss clue words of present continuous tense. Now clue words of the present continuous tense. Here see, now, at present, see, look, listen, don't disturb, etc. These are the clue words. For example, now we dash go to market. In this sentence, now is clue word. If we find that now, remaining parts should be in present continuous tense. Now, suitable helping verb and main verb is are going. Second sentence, look, sometimes listen will be given or see will be given. That means what? We are pointing out something or we are pointing out or somebody. Look, they are coming. Look, it is clue word of present continuous tense. They dash come here. Filling the blanks is suitable helping verb and main verb. Answer is are coming. Answer is are coming. These are the practice bits and examples, structures, definitions with examples of present continuous tense. Thank you very much.